All right, we are going to do a very quick visual video demonstration on a couple of surgical masks here. All right, the first mask we're going to use is a respirator style mask. Now, it's not an N95 respirator, but it's used for painting and fumes from all that. I'm going to use a little bit of talc powder, so it's baby powder, Johnson's baby powder. And what we're going to do here is we're going to sprinkle a little bit on the inside. Just give it a light coating. Doesn't have to be a lot. And we're going to shake it around, kind of spread it around, dump it out. It's not completely loaded up. It's just a fine coating, so I'm holding it upside down. And next I'm going to don the mask. So now I'm going to don the mask. I'm going to just put it over my head and make sure I got it the right way around here. Put it over my head and nose. I'm going to hold my breath for a second. And now I'm going to simulate a sneeze. And you can even, just from talking, you see some of it coming out. But ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now, you can see that it's sprayed all over, right? Now, it has gone all up into my eyes, out the sides, out the bottom, all over my shirt, shoulders, and all over the floor here. So that's the respirator style mask. Next, we'll do a regular surgical mask. All right, now next we're going to try just a regular surgical mask. And so here we have the same type of deal. We're going to open it up a little bit to flatten out the folds. And I'll do the same thing and apply some baby powder on it. And just sprinkle it around to get a light coating. Don't have to put a bunch on there. And we're going to next shake it around to kind of spread it. Again, just light coating, and turn it over upside down so there's not a ton caked on there. And now we're going to don the mask. All right, so now I'm going to don the mask and loop the straps behind my ears. Okay, I've got a good spread here, and I'm going to hold my breath. Oh, let me brush that off there. And I'm going to simulate a sneeze. 3, 2, 1. Woo! You know, some blew right out the front on that, so let's see the damage. Oh. All right. Okay, now this would be, a lot of this is under the mask, but you can see that it shot up, out the sides, out the top, inside my glasses, and all over my shirt and shoulders. And you probably couldn't see it in the video very well, but it literally shot through the front of the mask. But, well, that's the end of the experiment. And how much spray goes out the sides and through the front of a standard surgical mask.